Breaking free from limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs and negative self-talk can hold us back from achieving our goals and living a fulfilling life. They are the internal barriers that stop us from taking action, pursuing our passions, and reaching our full potential. Here are some insights from personal development experts on how to overcome limiting beliefs and negative self-talk and cultivate a more positive and empowering mindset. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. They are often deeply ingrained in our subconscious mind, and we may not even be aware of them. Start by paying attention to your inner dialogue and noticing any negative or self-defeating thoughts. Write them down and analyze them to see if they are based on facts or assumptions. Once you identify your limiting beliefs, you can challenge them and replace them with more positive and empowering beliefs. Challenge your limiting beliefs. To challenge your limiting beliefs, ask yourself questions such as, is this belief based on facts or assumptions? What evidence do I have to support this belief? Is this belief helping me or holding me back? What would happen if I let go of this belief? By questioning your limiting beliefs and challenging their validity, you can create a more objective and realistic perspective. Replace your limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Once you have challenged your limiting beliefs, replace them with empowering ones. This involves creating new, positive beliefs that support your goals and values. For example, if your limiting belief is, I'm not good enough, replace it with, I am capable and deserving of success. Write down your new beliefs and repeat them to yourself regularly. This will help you internalize them and make them a part of your new mindset. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool for overcoming limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. They are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly, such as, I am worthy and deserving of love and success. Use affirmations that resonate with you and reflect your values and goals. Repeat them to yourself daily, and visualize yourself living the reality of those affirmations. Practice self-compassion. Finally, practice self-compassion. This involves treating yourself with kindness, understanding, and acceptance. Recognize that negative self-talk and limiting beliefs are common and natural, and don't beat yourself up for having them. Instead, be gentle with yourself and remind yourself that you are worthy and deserving of love and success. Incorporating these insights from personal development experts can help you overcome limiting beliefs and negative self-talk and cultivate a more positive and empowering mindset. Remember, breaking free from limiting beliefs and negative self-talk is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, persistent, and kind to yourself, and you'll see the results in your life. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and subscribe, share with a friend.